Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Victoria. I am going to be doing a Boxy pop-up haul. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm super excited to unveil my Boxy pop-up goodies, basically. I spent not an exorbitant amount, but I spent quite a bit. But I mean, how can you not with the Boxy pop-ups? Okay, if you're unfamiliar, or if you have the subscription but never really took a look at the pop-ups, you get a plethora of products. Okay, so we're talking health and wellness, home, makeup, skincare, hair, tools, accessories, okay, for up to like 93% off. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, so all I did was, and these this came in several boxes here. I went ahead and opened it up, and there is quite a few things in here, so we'll go ahead and jump into this. All right, so if you watch my videos, you will know that I am in love with the Elemis pillow, what is it, the facial plumping mask, or the plumping pillow facial mask. Okay, so what you do is after you wash your face, you put on a pretty decent layer, like thinner layer on your face, and you sleep with it. And what it does is any fine lines, wrinkles, or if you need to kind of plump the skin back up, you wake up and you have this gorgeous, glowing, plumpy, beautiful skin. Okay, so they had a twofer. So I went ahead and bought two of them. Elemis, like I said, I love their products. If you don't believe me, the Cellutox body oil, the Muscles active oil, which I bought more of, and there's more up here on my dresser. So I went ahead, like I said, and bought two of these. Okay, and I have my open one here. It smells very calming and soothing. It's like a lavendery type of color, and it's very light. Like I said, it's like a very light moisturizer, but when you wake up again, your skin is hydrated. Okay, so moving on, I got the PopSonic replaceable toothbrush heads because I ordered the toothbrush from Boxy pop-up, but in the rose gold. Need new heads, $5. Oh man, I should have wrote down all the prices for, I didn't think of that. We'll note for next time. Okay, I got a cloud mister, so you know, kind of like a face steamer, but this is, you know, you put distilled water in here, and it's supposed to moisturize your face instead of having to buy cans of Evian spray water. Just a thought. I am excited to open this up. None of this stuff I've opened, I mean, unless they were repeat products. But okay, so it's by Flight Mode skincare. That's what it looks like. Okay, you fill it up with the water, and then you push the button, and then it mists your face. It comes with the rechargeable, you know, the cord, the USB cord to recharge it. And I got these really cool stickers. Oh, and here it is, right there. Let me turn it, and there's the buttons. So super pumped to try this on. Okay, next up, like I said, I use the Biro tomato serum, and look at what I got. I got more, and these run retail, I believe they're $95 on the Biro website. Huge discount on these. Okay, I got another Farmacy Deep Sweep BHA Toner. Like I said, I mean, look, I have nothing on my face except for this little blush that I got from using my Wander Beauty from my most recent opening with Miss Taylor. Okay, and I have lip stuff on. That's it. Okay, I got the TonyMoly Minions Peach Sugar Body Scrub. It is quite heavy, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, haven't opened it up. It's supposed to be peach sugar. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. It's sealed. Okay. Oh my god, that smells amazing. It smells like sweet peach, like if you ever had a peach Bellini, that's what it smells like. That's gonna be a spa day type of scrub. Okay. Again, Sunday Riley, for those of you that know, I usually get the big bottles, but they only have the small bottles. I can't remember off the top of my head how much these are, the smaller bottles, but I know the larger bottles, $122, which I get for 40 bucks on Boxy pop-up. Okay. I believe I paid $25 for the 1 ounce. Okay. And this is what I use for my night routine. So worth it. And you need 1 pump. Come on. Okay, I got more of the Murad hydration toners. Okay, these were $2 as well. I got another bottle of the Good Genes. I have my open one here. Of the Good Genes lactic acid treatment. Okay, helps to reveal, it's a chemical exfoliant, and it helps to reveal fresh new skin underneath, you know, the sloughed up dry skin. Okay, it's nicer than an abrasive, because you know, the sands and stuff for your face. I think apricot scrubs can cause broken capillaries, can cause little micro cuts, and we really don't want to cause any more damage to our skin. So, lactic acid treatment. I got the Dr. Brandt Cellusculpt, because, you know, mama wants to tighten up the thighs just a little bit, because I got some thick old thighs. What do you want? Okay. He makes amazing products, and I even have the Do Not Age, it's called the DNA Triple Peptide eye cream. And I'm not finished with my other eye cream yet, so I am quite anxious to try that product, okay? But it's supposed to tighten the skin. It was rated pretty high and pretty well. I don't know why that reminded me of like Predator or Alien, you know, but the little balls to massage and, you know, kind of help with circulation along those areas. So let's try it. We'll see, you know. Didn't spend that much money on it, and again, you get quite a bit of product. It is quite heavy. All right, I got the Dew of the Gods Deep Sleep Body Scrub. So I'll use this at nighttime. I'm all about aromatherapy and, again, self-care. Can you tell? And this is called, you know, they call it the Dream Quake. Okay, but those of you that are into aromatherapy, lavender helps you relax, helps you fall asleep. So why not give yourself a good pampering session prior to sleep, whether you're taking a bath or, you know, taking a shower, hot steamy water, and you're massaging this all over your body. And at the end, you go to sleep clean and smooth and smelling of lavender to help you kind of sleep through the night, okay? Ooh. Oh my gosh. If you're not a fan of lavender, then, you know, it is what it is. But like I said, remember how we said it felt like kinetic sand? There's like an oil, it almost looks like a paste, or like coconut oil, and it's very moldable. So I'm sure this is, you know, like there's emollients and, you know, things in there to kind of help you with it. So I'm excited to use that. So for my piece de resistance, y'all know that I use my Clarisonic, and I love it. I am swearing by this. This is the PMD Pro. Okay, so this is the side that has the silicone bristles, and then this is the side that has the warming, the active warmth, I believe is what it's called, and you use it for your serums and everything. I mean, it's helped so much. Okay, well, they came out with PMD Body, and I have been going back and forth and obsessed with it. You know, just looking. Well, I found one on Boxy pop-up, and I believe it was $79, $69 or $79. I know it was $69. Okay, and I got the clean body in this burgundy and copper. Okay, and it's got the sonic glow technology, you know, the same with the silicone, but there are 3 additions to this. Okay, you get the silver infused loofah, and that comes up with some pretty strong magnets, at least from what I've read and I've, you know, seen in reviews, that you can get on the PMD website, and you get them in a 2-pack, and you could even do a subscription, an auto subscription, and you'll save more. Okay, but the point of the silver, just like the PMD Silver Pure face cloth makeup remover, silver is supposed to be antimicrobial, almost like a microban. Okay, so same concept with this. It's recommended to be changed out every month. Here you have the polish. Okay, so this is like an exfoliant. I have keratitis pilaris, okay, and this is an aluminum oxide exfoliator, and then you have the massaging part. Okay, especially after a hard, difficult day, you feel like shit, you want to take your shower and relax, you can put that attachment on and massage it on your back. So I would like to open this up. Okay, so we're gonna open up the box. I'm so excited! Oh. Okay, it even has this little, you know, strap here that is removable, so if you hang your product, you can hang it up to dry. I'm so excited! And it vibrates just like the same, I'm assuming. It's not charged, so it's not going to do anything, I believe. But yeah, this has a strong grip. So, and this is supposed to be the magnet side. So this is the massaging side, okay? And compared to my face one, that's a pretty significant difference, okay? I mean, look at the, it's like that movie Twins with Arnold Schwarzenegger and Danny DeVito, okay? And then underneath, you get the charger, and the charger looks like it's the same for the smaller Clarisonic for the facial one. Here's the loofah that's in here. Okay, so I'm assuming this is what the back of the magnet attachment is, but I mean, it is kind of small, but if it's vibrating and if it's as powerful and as awesome as the face one, I mean, really, you really don't need that much of a bigger loofah, maybe. I'm just gonna have to try. Oh, here. Y'all saw me struggle. There's a little latch thing in the bottom. Okay, and oh, y'all, strong ass magnet. Yeah, I feel that this would be pretty awesome. And then you get the scrubber part. Ooh. It almost feels like a stone. I don't know if you can hear that. But, and this would be this, and this would be the same and nice and flat. And then you'll have the vibrations going on. I'm so excited. Thank you for watching and joining me on my Boxy pop-up like opening. I am super excited and super pumped to be using some of the new product, and I'm so glad to order more of my oldies but goldies, and stay tuned for more videos. You know, as always, please like, watch, subscribe, and share. Sharing is caring, and you know, if you have any ideas for new videos, pop a comment down below. I respond. All right, bye, have a good night. Remember to take care of yourselves.